working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
When I'm all alone, I feel all the pain. Dip off in the music and I drift away.
Hey, we done linked up with the bartender on this.
Yeah, I dip off in the music.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, SeANA, back up in this joint with another video. Yo. So I'm trying to keep putting out videos for you guys. I want to try to be consistent, but anyways, I want to try to do a little bit more drawing. So I got another drawing video up. Yeah, I want to put out some more hair videos. I do want to do a curly hair routine video, but for now, I got another drawing video, and I'm gonna be drawing curly hair. And I know this month is Inktober, where a lot of artists put out a new drawing every single day. And maybe I should have been putting out drawings every single day since I'm an artist, but I don't know. I never really did that, but I'm just trying to like get back into art, But you know how I feel, like, I talked about that in my last drawing video about how I kind of go through these phases about, like actually working on like artwork, like drawings and stuff. Like sometimes I'm really motivated and inspired, and then other times it's not something I'm really into at the moment for a while, and it could be years before I work on more drawings. But anyways, if you missed that, go check out my last drawing video where I was drawing myself as anime. I explain all that in that video, so go check that out. So for this drawing, I was in the mood to draw curly hair, so I wanted to draw a girl with nice, big, pretty, curly hair, and I'm kind of still trying to draw it in more of a cartoon-like style, so it's not completely realistic. It has a more cartoonish look to it, I guess, so, I'm still trying to play around with, like, a different types of style, I guess, and I guess it's probably more like a semi-realism, where it's like kind of realistic but cartoon like combined. I think my style will probably be more around that, like probably not complete cartoonish, but I don't know, we'll see. I guess I'm just gonna play around and draw more and see what I like. And for this, I'm not using a lot of color. It's mainly in black and white and marker, more like more like lines. So I'm just using a black prismacolor marker, and there'll just be like a pop of color. And for a reference, I used this picture of Raven Elyse. Yeah, because I wanted to draw curly hair, so I just went on Instagram and scrolled around to see what I could find. I could have just used another picture of me as a reference, but I decided I wanted to use somebody else. So I came across this picture of Raven, and I just started sketching. I don't know, it may not actually look like her, I don't know, but I mean, I was just using it as a reference. I just needed to pick up a cute girl with nice curly hair to draw.
Diamond sound.
Riding in my whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in my whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in my whip, I just forget about the world. In the city where you gotta be so thorough. Riding in a whip, I just forget about the world.
So here, as I'm drawing the curly hair, I basically just draw, waves of about what the curl pattern looks like. So I basically just draw the shape, the waves, and then just keep drawing lines following that shape. But they don't have to be perfect, but just kind of in a way kind of keep them going like about the same flow, and just keep doing lines, do longer ones and short ones to kind of just make it all come together, and it gives it a little bit of depth. And then the parts that are darker, like certain areas are darker, because that's gonna make curly hair, like that's just what's gonna make it have more detail, I guess, is making parts darker and then keep parts lighter. So the parts that are darker, I just like make even more lines until it looks dark enough. And I'm only doing the curly hair with just lines, like a black marker, so it's like I'm trying to give it detail to make it look like curly hair, but at the same time, like, it's not super realistic, if you know what I mean. Like I said, my drawing right now is more of a bit of a cartoon style, so not super realistic, but more like the semi-realism, like I said. So yeah, I just keep making those wavy lines as I feel I need to, just keep going and adding more where I feel I should, and then once I'm done with the hair, I just went back in and finished a little bit more detail on the face, and then added a pop of color. And I used Prismacolor color pencils, so that's what I use for color. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will be back with some more videos. See you later. See you in another video. Bye.
Because I'm different, well I kick this shit different, I'ma do this shit different. Everything they is, well that's just what I is, and then I am what they ain't. Going hard in the paint like a walker. These niggas nothing but big time talkers. Yeah, I'm trying to live it up, riding limousines, truck without the hearse pulling up. That's game. If I just forget about the world, in the city where you gotta be so thorough. When I'm riding in a whip, I just forget about the world. Came up in the city where you gotta be so thorough. Shit, I'm riding in a whip, I forget about the world. Riding in a whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in a whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in a whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in a whip, I just forget about the world. Came up in the city where you gotta be so thorough. When I'm riding in a whip, I just forget about the world. Came up in the city where you gotta be so thorough. Shit, I'm riding in a whip, I forget about the world. Riding in a whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in a whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in a whip, I just forget about the world. Riding in the world. When I'm all alone, I feel all the pain. Dip off in the music and I drift away.
Hey, we done linked up with the bartender on this one.
Yeah, I dip off in the music and I drift away. Lighting trees when we ride like it's Christmas Day. Smoking ride through the city, let it ventilate. Used to have a couple things on the interstate. Hitting things at the bank, might not get away. Vacation in my mind, the only getaway. Ops want me to die, these hoes want me to penetrate. I dip off in the music and I drift away. Driving cars, pulling up like we finna race. Money talk, bullshit walk, so let's conversate. He called a case and I just Sometimes I'm sad, but I'm still glad for all I have. When I'm all alone, I feel all the pain. Dip off in the music and I drift away. When I'm all alone, I feel all the pain. Dip off in the music and I drift away. When I'm all alone, I feel all the pain. Dip off in the music and I Madonna wanna lay with me. Tell that girl don't play with me. Young G's, can't you see? Get that dope from A to Z. I'm looking like a thug, that's exactly what they label me. I'm trying to get my money right, I need to plant a money tree. Rihanna wanna lay with me. Tell that girl don't play with me. Young G's, can't you see? Get that dope from A to Z. I'm looking like a thug, that's exactly what they label me. I'm trying to get my money right, I need to plant a money tree. We could have the time to ourselves, just sit back and relax. Already got the sack, so we ain't gotta fuck with the trap. Them crocodiles is looking, they won't throw me in the back. Niggas saying they fuck with me, they might stab me in the back. I'm just trying to stay focused in the land of distractions, where anything can happen, either die or make it rapping. Or maybe it's both. Inhale, exhale the smoke. We burn it up till it's an insect. What's that? That's a roach. Post it up in the yo, trying to give me some ideas. Is that ass backwards that I smoke grass to get my mind clear? She thuggin' with me tonight. We ain't drinking wine, we drinking beer. Vision clear, no hater here. Trying to make a meal this fiscal year. Burn it up while I pound it down. Count it up while they counting down. They wanna know when that album out. I'm the realest one that they found around. Burn